you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of new inventory coming in. We have all makes and models, foreign and domestic, various types of insurance losses, from freshwater flood damage vehicles to collision to theft to fire damage. Right now, looking at a BMW 740. We purchased this vehicle as a freshwater flood damage vehicle, but I don't see any indicators that there any water penetrated the interior or that this vehicle was in any water, to be honest with you. So far, everything looks good. No corrosion in the engine compartment. We checked all the fluids. The fluids were clean, filters were clean and dry. So I'm not sure why the insurance company would announce this with water damage, but your guess is as good as mine. It starts right up, it drives. Headlights are clean, no visible water line. Let's do a quick walk around. Body is very clean. Nice panoramic roof. So far, so good. See a little condensation in the window, but I'm not sure that means that the car has any water. Even the calipers aren't rusted, which is a good sign. Let's take a look inside. If it did take any water, it's very, very minor. No dust, no water settled in there. That's good. Carpet feels dry. That's just boot marks from tow truck drivers. The tracks are clean. Seats work. It's got power. It starts, it drives. Yeah, I don't think any water got in this car. Door's locked. Unlock it. If I know how to unlock it. But it's a really nice interior. Doesn't smell, there's no odor. But we're still gonna take certain precautions just to make sure everything's dry. Check all the contacts, check all the modules, put it on the scanner. Just so if there is water inside, we don't damage it any further. We'll keep you posted and update our website as soon as we're done. Thanks for watching.